Hey guys, welcome back. So for today's video, I have a what I eat in a day, gluten-free, of course. If you're new to my channel and you happen to be gluten-free, or maybe you're starting your gluten-free diet, I have so many videos for you. I'm gonna link an entire playlist below. There's resources, recipes, recommendations, all that. There's so much. I even have a completely detailed gluten-free grocery list and guide that's totally free, so you guys can download that. I will link it below. It's on my website. But for today's video, we're just doing what I eat in a day. It's Tuesday, so I'm just kind of sharing my meals and cataloging everything I'm eating throughout the day. So there'll be recipe ideas, meal ideas, all that. But I can hardly contain my excitement because for this video, I'm actually collaborating with Adidas. Like, what? I'm so excited. So there's gonna be a mini activewear haul that I'm gonna share right now before we get into the food. I'm really excited to be working with them. Like, that just doesn't even sound real. I'm stoked. Everything I share today will be linked below with my sizing and all that information. But I'm happy because I got so many like leggings and shorts and just activewear. I got a nice pair of shoes. And I'm happy about it because we've been going on so many walks recently, and now that the weather is hopefully gonna start warming up, I'm excited to just be like outside and just out walking around. Marcus and I try to go on a few really long walks a week, so this is like perfect. I need more clothes like this for those situations, so I'm really excited. So let's get into the pieces. I'm actually wearing the first piece here. I just have this cute little crop tee. It's like a baby blue, just a little activewear cropped t-shirt. I really like the color. I think this suits my blonde hair, but I also did get it in black. Just a perfect activewear shirt, but also I could just wear it on a normal day as well because I love crop t-shirts like this. They just look good with leggings, bike shorts, just really anything, and they're comfortable. So that's totally what I love. And then I'm actually wearing this one with a pair of biker shorts that I can't hold up and show you guys, but you'll see them in the try on. I really like these biker shorts. I'm just like, I have so many, and they're kind of like hoop earrings to me at this point. Like, I can never have too many pairs of bike shorts. They're extremely comfortable. They're perfect for walking and for every day. I just think they also just make a cute outfit. You can dress them up, dress them down. They're just fantastic. And these ones I really like because I feel like they really suck you in and just kind of shape everything really nicely and smooth everything out. So these are the Yoga Studio 5-inch short legging, aka bike shorts. So they're 5 inches, which I believe is the perfect length for a bike short. I don't like anything too long and definitely not too short. That defeats the whole purpose. A few more pairs of shorts that I'm really excited about. I got these just like classic Adidas workout shorts. I'm so excited about these. This is like a style that I just feel like it's just never going anywhere. It's just perfect for working out, for athleisure wear. It's comfortable. It's gonna be great for the summertime, great for my long walks. I got this really pretty like mauve, they call it Wonder Orchid, pinky color. And then I also got the navy blue. I feel like I really need pieces like this in the summertime because I have so many leggings, I have so many bike shorts. It's just nice to kind of interchange, you know, throughout my collection with something different. And these are classic, so I don't know why I didn't have a pair of these already, but I'm very happy about it. And then of course I had to grab a few pairs of leggings. I mean, I can't even tell you guys how much I wear my black leggings. It's like bike shorts and black leggings. Those are the rotation for like normal life. Obviously I like to get dressed up and do cute things, but like for day to day, I'm always in my leggings. They're so comfortable and they go with pretty much anything, and they're just flattering. So I got two pairs. I got a black and a gray, and these are actually so flattering on and they fit so nicely. I can tell they're gonna be great for working out because they're definitely gonna stay up, and they do have pockets. They're the same exact pair, just different colors. They're that same Aero Ready material as the bike shorts that I'm wearing. So it has that vibe where it smooths everything out and just like perks everything up. Both of these fit really nicely. The gray I'm excited about, but I also just had to get a classic pair of black. There's something about me where it's like, if it comes in multiple colors, I have to get a black and then maybe I'll get something else. Like, that's always the first go-to. It's just so versatile and you can wear it 1,000 times and no one would ever know that you're wearing the same pair of leggings every single day because black just is classic and it always looks nice. Last thing I'm really excited about, I knew I had to get a pair of shoes, and specifically a new pair of shoes for working out and for walking. I've been really just trying to walk a lot more recently. Obviously I told you Marcus and I go on walks a lot, but even for me, I would love to get to a place where I go on a walk every single day. It's just is really great for my mental health to be outside and to get my body moving and, you know, listen to podcasts, call my sisters, check in. It's just kind of a form of self-care for me, and it's also a way that I really like like to do like a low intensity workout. So I'm happy to have these for my walks that I keep talking about. So these are the Pure Boost 22 running shoe. And I'm really excited because I feel like, you know, I always go for more simple colors. And while this is like white and neutral, I wanted to get something that had kind of like a pop of something. They had all white, they had all black, but I feel like I'm always going for the basic look. Like I just mentioned, I always try to get something in black or white. And I wanted something that kind of had like a few pops of colors, but still remained neutral and you're able to wear them with pretty much anything. So I got these and I really love them. I think they're really cool. They're extremely comfortable. I have yet to wear them on my walks yet or work out in them because I just got them. Shout out to Adidas. I'm really happy with these and just all of my stuff. I can't wait to continue wearing them. You guys will definitely be seeing them more on my Instagram, so make sure you follow me on there. And if you're interested in any of these pieces, I will have everything linked below so you guys can check them out. But now what you're here for, my what I eat a day video. If you guys are interested in seeing everything I eat in a day that is also all gluten-free, please keep watching. As a gluten-free girl, corn tortillas are a godsend. So I made breakfast tacos like I do so frequently. I had some fresh eggs from a friend that has chickens, which they're just the best eggs ever. I cooked some sausage. I usually just do with whatever protein I have, or even sometimes I just do eggs and you know, maybe potatoes or something. But for the plot twist for this one, I used air fried French fries instead of doing like a hash brown, just because it's what I had. And it also is kind of like a California burrito, California taco. If you guys have ever had that before, it's basically like a carne asada burrito, but it has French fries in it. You got to try it if you can. I can't have many of them because I can't have burritos really anymore, but oh my gosh, is it good. Added some salt and pepper, some everything but the bagel seasoning, which I am addicted to, and then some cheese. These are also mini tortillas in case you guys couldn't tell. They're like little taco size. But I added some Chipotle Tabasco. This is my favorite hot sauce for eggs at the moment. I also really love the Chipotle Cholula. That one I probably like a little bit more, but it's delicious. My brother was here for breakfast and so was Marcus, and we all really enjoyed these tacos. They were bomb. For lunch, I actually have a meal prep. This is going to be featured in a video that's going to be coming next week. I have a gluten-free meal prep video that I'm getting ready for you guys. I'm really excited to share it. This one is honey mustard chicken with roasted potatoes and crispy Brussels sprouts. It's so good. I love having little protein bites like this handy in the fridge to grab for a snack. These ones I use the dark chocolate tahini from Soom. They are really good and just fun little bite-sized treats. There's oats, almond flour, chia seeds, almonds, chocolate tahini, flax seeds, hemp hearts, just whatever I could fit, and it's really tasty and just nice to have on hand. Now we go on our long walk that I was talking about earlier in the video, and it's my first time wearing my new shoes. They're so comfortable and so cute. And we actually walked to a nearby coffee shop. We went to Enchanted. If you guys have been here before, if you're in the area, comment below. That would be really funny. But this place is really good. And it just so happened that Marcus had an Adidas shirt on, which was just perfect for this video. It was just serendipitous and just happened on its own. But mine is the London Fog Latte with the sweet cream on top. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And then Marcus got a vanilla latte. For dinner, I made steak with chimichurri and basmati rice, and oh my gosh, you guys, it was beyond. For the chimichurri, I will link my recipe below that I like to use. I typically do fresh oregano, but I didn't have any, so I settled for the dried seasoning. And I don't know if this needs to be included, but I'm having a glass of red wine, and it was just perfect with this meal. I add all the ingredients to a food processor, blend it up, and then this is how it turns out. It adds the tastiest herby freshness to whatever dish you're making. It's really good with steak, but you also can have it with chicken, you can have it with shrimp, any protein you like. There are no rules. It's really, really good, so you guys should try it out. And this is how dinner turned out. It was delicious, like I said. I really enjoyed it. I'm gonna make it again soon because it's just one of the best combinations. And that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you here. If you're gluten-free, you need to subscribe. I would love to connect with you, so comment below. Let me know what you thought of this video. And don't forget to check out Adidas. I will have all of that information linked below. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!